A 5-day workshop organized at DM College of Teacher Education Imphal to introduce Choice-Based Credit System (CBCS) and Learning Outcome Curriculum Framework (LOCF) for the implementation of National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 under the auspices of State Project Director RUSA Manipur. The workshop program kicked off from November 13 with the collaboration of Directorate of University and Higher Education and DM College of Teacher Education Imphal and GP Women's College. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Rajain said that the education system will be brought about a drastic change with the coming of NEP 2020 as the policy contains vocational education. He appealed to the teachers to fulfill the content of the policy. A.K. Suridini Devi, Principal, DM College of Teacher Education Imphal, Director, University and Higher Education Dr. Ranjita Bali Waikhom, Dr. Rajkumari Tampasana, Principal GP Women's College were the main guests of the event. The workshop program was attended by government colleges teachers. A Sumang Lila Irai Bagidamak will be showcased on the last day of the workshop for a better understanding on NEP.
Ningsing hanabagi memory wenabagi masi mayam thi loina kauthupa kanda aikoina somda Aurangzeb ki or Alexander ki Tipur Sultan ki adugi history du ata aikoina khang leininga ta aikoi sikari no abde akoi kauthule aikoi meithei sikari no abde akoi kaure sumai tongna sigumba mayam sing sisu curriculum da aikoi hapaga aikoi tawchi na